Happy Friday, everybody. Today is Friday the 5th. We are in Waterloo, Illinois doing the Senior Citizens Building. We came out a few months ago, gave a bid for the VCT. We're going to strip it down and refinish it with 4 or 5 coats of protection. We got Scott on the scene with us today. And let me show you what we're doing. So this little foyer area, this area right here, you can just see it's these little TLC. We're gonna continue to sweep up. A lot of soil load. It's been used, obviously. A little older floor, hasn't been done in a long time. So we came out and did an estimate. It's about 2,500 square feet that I measured. So we're gonna get that taken care of for them and get up to par. You can see all the soil. And then we got back here, we got a hallway, we got 2 bathrooms, aged VCT. And we're going to stop right here and not do anything back there because, all the stuff. And they're okay with that. As long as the perimeter we're not going to do either because they have a lot of flooring that's coming up because it's so old. You can just see it's kind of popping up right there. So we're only going to do right here. We're not going to touch anything over here because it's stationary. And she understood that. She's okay with that. So we're not going to do anything under here. We're only going to do this first square here and nothing beyond that. So basically, guys, that perimeter we're not going to do. Now I will put this in, and they're okay with that because this stuff is never going to be moved. But yeah, guys, this is the flooring. You can just see it just needs a little TLC. So we're going to get all the soil off, dirt, grime, and get these floors, emulsified and stripped down, and then we're gonna start the process of applying the finish. So that's what we got going on. Again, happy Friday to you. Beautiful weather, beautiful day, and that's what we're doing here at AOCleaning Floor Care and Restoration. We love floors. We know them. We love them. If you have this kind of situation at your business or your building, give us a call. We got you covered since 2003. Before you floor it, again, let AO restore it. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we are agitating now, doing the edges. This floor is already looking great. Getting everything suspended and emulsified. She's gonna love it, guys. You see how soiled the floor is, all the slurry. You got Scott edging now, and it's going good, guys. Years and years of building. She said it hasn't been done probably in 25 years or more, which makes sense how soiled these floors are. But we recommend, once you get your floors up to par, we always recommend a maintenance program where we come in and do a buffing. We can buff your floors weekly or monthly to keep the shine up and keep it hygienic. And we can do a deep scrub and recoat every quarter, and a deep strip and recoat every other year with the maintenance program. That will extend the life of your flooring, especially VCT, and keep it hygienic and looking great, especially for durability and showmanship. So as long as you mop with a Nutri Cleaner, these floors will last a long time. And of course, daily mopping and vacuuming is crucial. That will help aid in preserving your VCT. But that's the biggest thing for a commercial setting, is make sure you have proper maintenance and a program set up. Otherwise, if you don't, it's more so or less needs a restorative refinishing like we're doing here today. So, good tip of the day, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. See that? That's spinning very good. I'm gonna finish up. Stay tuned for some more results. And as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, what we did is, you can see what we have not done. We have done this area. We've already got this emulsified. You can see, look how white that looks, guys. Now, we still have to neutralize and everything, but man, what a difference. You can just see. Look at that, before and after. Doing some edging. I mean, what a difference, guys. See right there? Yep. That's what we do. AO, let's go. Got you covered. All right, guys. All right, we got Scott Machine on the side-by-side. We are actually getting this floor stripped down, and he is doing it to it. And he's really good on the machine. He used to do this back about 15, 20 years ago with me. So Scott's really good with it. And you can see what we've already done. Look at that, guys. Nice and fresh. And we should have neutralized it, but man, look how white this VCT is. This is the way it's supposed to look. Now, of course, with some finish on there, it'll pop and look beautiful, but this is stripped down. So that's what we're doing. You can just see the difference before and after, guys. Isn't that amazing? Wow. So they're definitely in need of it, but it's going good. We still have the rest of this to do, but we'll probably be done here in the next hour and a half, stripping it down, and then we'll coat it, go grab some lunch, come back, coat it again, and finish out the rest of our Friday. So.
Give us a call. AOCleaning is the best. We'll handle it all. So clean those vents and don't forget the ducts.
All right, guys, you can see here we are continuing to strip it down. Things looking good. AO, let's go. All right, guys. We still working this little section here. We already did over there. We did over all this. So we're gonna work on this section. Look at that, guys. Wow. The protection is gone. The soil load, debris. This floor is hygienic now, and we're gonna coat it. All right, guys, we're letting it dry now. It is ready for finish. We're just letting it dry and flash off because we didn't neutralize it. As you can see, I'm in my socks, and this floor turned out great. All right, guys, we're putting down the finish. Look at that, like glass, 25%. We got Scott putting it down now. Little update, we're putting on the third coat. We got one more to go, and this will be a wrap, guys. We got Scott putting it down now, and look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that is. The client loves it. I sent her a picture. She's over the moon, and she is excited for them to enjoy this beautiful VCT again. So,
restoring the beauty, it's what we do true. AOCleaning, we're your guiding light from dusk until